Hi, it's a beautiful spring day today, it really is, and the storms came and went, and now finally the weather is beginning to improve. We did actually make a video just over a week ago, I think. We went to pick up some olive trees in a place just outside of Coimbra city, and anyway, that was just after some pretty serious storms and lots of heavy rain and some serious floods, and we never got to post it. So so I think what I'm going to do is just add it to this video now and just post it so that you can see what it was like. But just to let you know, to confirm that, you know, that the flooding has gone down now, and so flowers are coming out, so we're really grateful for that. And yeah, so hope you enjoy the video, and hopefully soon we'll be able to post some nice ones, you know, that will show you more of the beauty of spring and how our land is doing as well. So yeah, and as you can see, we've been growing a few little things here in the tunnel, and we've still got some cedars that we were going to plant on our land, but we've actually got too many, so we'll have to decide what to do. We have another smaller piece of land that we haven't been to for probably about a year now, because we've just, so much has been happening, we haven't been able to. And then we had the fires with this piece of land that we've been working on, plus now the floodings. It's just too much, we can't keep up. But anyway, as you can see, this is what Bab's been growing mostly. I just come in and water sometimes. So anyway, I'm going to attach that video we made a week ago to this. All right, so enjoy. That is normally rice paddies. A lot of clearing work to do here after the storms. Rice paddies, look at those, they're flooded. Looks like a river now, doesn't it? Yep. So anyway, this is all on the way to Coimbra. Usually these are fields here, cornfields. That side's the same thing, it's a cornfield. It's quite something, isn't it? And it's not going to be long before that comes onto the road here. By the looks of things, if it keeps raining, it's supposed to end this coming week, or by this weekend. I'll believe it when I see it. It's been so long. Oh, look, that house with that poor dog that's always left there. That's the one, isn't it? We're going to go and pick up some olive trees in a place called Miranda do Corvo. See all the flooding around here. These houses in the valleys and stuff have really suffered. I'm not so sure we should be coming up here today, but let's see. Because this is kind of a sort of hill road, and I'm just kind of wondering wondering if it's safe. I mean, so far it's okay. One step at a time. This is a village called Canas. Canas. C-A-N-A-S. Have we been here before? I think we've actually driven through here once before. In the summer. Looks familiar anyway. So we've got about 8 minutes to go or something before we find this guy. I hope it's not going to be somewhere difficult to drive into. Anyway, this is quite a high point here in the Coimbra district, quite close to the city centre actually. So here we go, we're going to take a left here. Oh goodness, okay, Miranda do Corvo, that's what this is called. And it's, well, rather we're going that way, we're not actually there yet. They must have really got hit by the wind here in these high areas, you know. And there's been some landslide issues as well, as you can imagine. Some roads have collapsed. A bit of a worry driving along some of these roads because they're sort of a bit sheer on one side. Quite a few roads have collapsed because of the rains. But that's the way it goes now. So, around here? Yep. This is a village called Samid. Samid. Something like that. Never been here, I don't think. Big old historic building up there on the hill. And we are going left here, aren't we? Granja de Samid. It's not Samide, it's Samid. Samid, I think. Very rainy again. My goodness. So as you can see, it's a very rainy day again. I mean, it's we thought it was kind of dying down, but it came back. So we went to pick up the olive trees, about 20 minutes from Coimbra, this is, from the city. And the guy said that he had to go to hospital for something or other. I don't know if it was a relative or something. So, we are having to turn back without the olive trees, but that's just the way it goes. It's a bit of a bummer driving all the way here in this weather. I guess I wish he could have sent us a message and told us, but he didn't. Maybe it's something very serious, I don't know. So we're heading back towards Coimbra now. So yeah, the roads are quite rough because of the heavy rains and everything. There's been quite a lot of damage because of just constant rain and wind, and you know. So yeah, it's just very hard to do anything when it's like this. There's rocks. I was just helping Bab to steer clear of rocks that have fallen down the these little embankments and things here. There's just so much, and well, shouldn't complain because we haven't had any actual damage. My mother's property, so whereas other people have lost their homes. rivers. So I'm actually quite grateful. See how rough the roads are? Yeah. I mean, I think this was rough before, but the rain, the heavy rains and everything just seemed to make it all worse. Look at the big holes and things in the roads. And some of these are caused by fallen trees. Around that Samid area, which I'm probably mispronouncing, but that's kind of how it's spelled. It's a beautiful area. I mean, it really is, down in the valley and stuff down there. Oh, this is the Serra River. I don't know if you can see because of this fence. See if we can film the river. It's the Mondego. There's the Mondego River. I just wanted to show you, this is actually a city park. Okay, we actually walked past here in one of our videos. It's close to the Baixa area of Coimbra city. It's all completely flooded. Look at that. That's because the Mondego River has just overflowed, and so even the parks and everything are flooded. And you can see those, those warehouses or whatever they are over there. And they're just kind of swimming in water. So this coming week is supposed to, the weather's supposed to change. Rain's supposed to stop. But at the moment it feels like it's going to last forever. As you can see, it's quite windy. You can see the this moving around. Yeah, it's all flooded over there by the church. The church flooded? Don't know. Well, now we're here in in Coimbra, and we're looking at the Mondego River. It really is high. I'll show you. So here we are, and this is where we walked. The other video we have about Baisha, so the Baisha from our other video is over there, which is like the old town of Coimbra, Baisha. That's the bridge that we walked in the other video. So the river is extremely high. Anyway, such is the power of nature. Nothing that humans can compete with. So here we are. Hope you enjoyed that video, and especially now that you know that's over with, you can really start to enjoy the spring. His little Barnes. See, look at him. It's a little too warm for him already. So anyway, until next time. Bye.